Greece, officially the Hellenic Republic, is a country located in Southeast Europe. It is known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Capital: Athens is the capital and largest city of Greece. It is home to the Acropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Parthenon, one of the most famous ancient Greek temples. History: Greece is the birthplace of Western civilization, with a history dating back thousands of years. Ancient Greece gave rise to philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, as well as the Olympic Games. Geography: Greece is a mountainous country with a long coastline. It has thousands of islands, including popular tourist destinations like Crete, Rhodes, and Santorini. Culture: Greek culture is deeply rooted in its history and traditions. It is known for its music, dance, art, and cuisine. Economy: Greece is a member of the European Union and the Eurozone. Its economy is based on tourism, shipping, and agriculture. Other notable cities: Thessaloniki, the second largest city in Greece, known for its vibrant nightlife and cultural scene. Patras, a port city on the Peloponnese Peninsula, famous for its carnival. Heraklion, the largest city on the island of Crete, home to the Minoan Palace of Knossos. Greece is a beautiful and diverse country with something to offer everyone. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply relaxing on a beautiful beach, Greece is the perfect destination. Athens, the historic capital of Greece, is a captivating city that seamlessly blends its ancient past with modern vibrancy. As the birthplace of Western civilization, it boasts a rich history that has shaped the world. Ancient wonders: Acropolis. This iconic hilltop citadel dominates the city skyline and houses some of the world's most famous ancient structures, including the Parthenon, the Propylaea, and the Temple of Athena Nike. Acropolis Museum. This modern museum houses a vast collection of artifacts from the Acropolis, offering a fascinating glimpse into ancient Greek culture. Plaka. This charming neighborhood at the foot of the Acropolis is filled with winding streets, traditional tavernas, and souvenir shops. Modern city. Syntagma Square. The central square of Athens is home to the Greek Parliament building, the tomb of the unknown soldier. And the Evzones, the presidential guard in their traditional uniform. Monastiraki Flea Market. This bustling market is a treasure trove of antiques, jewelry, and traditional Greek goods. National Archaeological Museum. This world-class museum houses an extensive collection of ancient Greek artifacts, including sculptures, pottery, and jewelry. Athens Riviera. The coastal area south of Athens offers beautiful beaches, seaside resorts, and opportunities for water sports. Greece is renowned for its stunning islands, each offering its own unique charm and experiences. Here are some of the most popular and beautiful Greek islands. Cyclades Islands, Santorini, famous for its dramatic volcanic landscape, whitewashed buildings, and breathtaking sunsets. Mykonos, a cosmopolitan island known for its vibrant nightlife, chic boutiques, and beautiful beaches. Paros, a laid-back island with charming villages, stunning beaches, and a lively atmosphere. Naxos, the largest island in the Cyclades, offering a mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. Milos, known for its unique volcanic landscapes, colorful beaches, and ancient archaeological sites. Black sand beaches. Unique beaches with volcanic sand, such as Parissa and Kamari. Sunset views. World-renowned sunsets over the Aegean Sea. Kora. The main town with its whitewashed houses, windmills, and vibrant nightlife. Saro Beach. A chic beach with crystal clear waters and luxurious beach clubs. Little Venice. A picturesque neighborhood with colorful houses built on the water's edge. Knossos. The legendary Minoan Palace Complex, one of Europe's oldest cities. Elefanici Beach. A pink sand beach with shallow waters, perfect for families. Rethymno. A charming town with Venetian architecture and a lively old town. Medieval City. A UNESCO World Heritage Site with well-preserved medieval walls and buildings. Lindos Acropolis. A stunning hilltop acropolis with panoramic views of the coast. Sambica Beach. A beautiful beach with golden sand and clear waters. Dodecanese Islands. Rhodes. A historic island with medieval castles, ancient ruins, and beautiful beaches. Kos. A popular island with a mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. Patmos. A peaceful island with stunning monasteries and beautiful beaches. Ionian Islands. Corfu. A lush green island with Venetian architecture, beautiful beaches, and a vibrant nightlife. Zakynthos. Known for its stunning beaches, Inns Greek island, offering a diverse landscape, rich history, and delicious cuisine. Crete. The largest Greek island, offering a diverse landscape, rich history, and delicious cuisine. Hydra. A car-free island with beautiful harbor towns and stunning hiking trails. Spetses. A charming island with neoclassical mansions, beautiful beaches, and a maritime history. These are just a few of the many beautiful Greek islands. Each island offers its own unique experiences, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your interests and preferences. The Minoan civilization was a Bronze Age culture that flourished on the island of Crete from approximately 3000 to 1100 BCE. It is often considered the first advanced civilization in Europe. Key characteristics of the Minoan civilization. Thriving cities. The Minoans built impressive cities, with Knossos being the most famous. These cities featured palaces, elaborate plumbing systems, and sophisticated architectural designs. Art and culture. Minoan art is known for its vibrant frescoes depicting scenes of daily life, religious rituals, and mythology. Their pottery was also highly sophisticated, with intricate designs and beautiful glazes. Seafaring. The Minoans were skilled seafarers and traders, establishing extensive maritime networks across the Mediterranean. Writing system. They developed a unique writing system known as Linear A, which remains undeciphered. Mysterious decline. The Minoan civilization mysteriously declined around 1450 BCE. Theories about its downfall include natural disasters, invasion by Mycenaean Greeks, or internal societal collapse. The Minoan civilization left a lasting legacy on Greek culture, influencing the Mycenaean Greeks and later Greek civilizations. Their art, architecture, and mythology continue to inspire and fascinate people today. Greek cuisine is renowned for its simplicity, freshness, and emphasis on healthy ingredients. Here are some of the most popular and delicious Greek dishes. Moussaka, a layered dish of eggplant, ground meat, and bechamel sauce. Stufato, a hearty stew of meat, usually beef or rabbit, with onions, tomatoes, and spices. Gyros, grilled meat, usually pork or chicken, served in a pita with tzatziki sauce, onions, and tomatoes. Souvlaki, skewered and grilled meat, usually pork or chicken, often served with pita bread and tzatziki sauce. Kleftiko, slow-cooked lamb or goat, traditionally cooked in a clay pot. Appetizers and side dishes. Tzatziki, a creamy yogurt dip with cucumbers, garlic, and herbs. Dolmadas, grape leaves stuffed with rice, herbs, and sometimes meat. Spanakopita, a flaky pastry filled with spinach and feta cheese. Fava, a thick and creamy dip made from yellow split peas. Greek salad, a refreshing salad of tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, peppers, feta cheese, and olives, drizzled with olive oil and oregano. Desserts. Baklava, layers of phyllo pastry filled with nuts and sweetened with syrup. Loukoumades, deep-fried dough balls soaked in honey syrup. Galactoboreko, a custard-filled phyllo pastry dessert. Drinks. Ouzo, a strong anise-flavored alcoholic drink. Retsina, a white wine with a distinctive resin flavor. Greek coffee, a strong, thick coffee served in small cups. Greek cuisine is full of flavor and variety, and there's something to satisfy every palate. Whether you prefer hearty meat dishes, fresh seafood, or vegetarian options, you're sure to find something delicious to eat in Greece. To obtain a work permit in Greece, you typically need to have a job offer from a Greek employer. The employer will then need to apply for a work permit on your behalf through the Greek Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs. Key steps involved. Job offer. Secure a job offer from a Greek employer. Employer application. Your employer will need to submit an application to the Greek Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs, providing necessary documentation such as your CV, passport, and other relevant documents. Work permit issuance. If approved, the ministry will issue a work permit, which is usually valid for 1 year. Residence permit application. Once you have a work permit, you can apply for a residence permit at the local immigration office. This permit allows you to live and work in Greece for an extended period. Important considerations. EU citizens. Citizens of EU member states can work in Greece without a work permit. Third country nationals. Citizens of countries outside the EU will need a work permit and a residence permit to work in Greece. Blue card. Highly skilled professionals may be eligible for a blue card, which offers several advantages, including faster processing times and easier access to permanent residency. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's recommended to consult the official website of the Greek Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs or seek advice from an immigration lawyer. The average salary in Greece is around €1,000 to €1,500 per month after taxes. However, this is just an average, and salaries can vary significantly depending on several factors. Industry. Salaries in sectors like technology, finance, and healthcare tend to be higher than in other sectors like tourism or hospitality. Experience. More experienced professionals typically earn higher salaries. Location. Salaries in major cities like Athens and Thessaloniki are generally higher than in smaller towns and rural areas. Company size. Larger companies often offer higher salaries and better benefits. Specific role. Highly specialized roles or those in high demand can command higher salaries. It's important to note that while the average salary in Greece may be lower compared to other Western European countries, The cost of living is also generally lower, making it possible to maintain a comfortable lifestyle on a modest income. Living in Greece can be a rewarding experience, offering a high quality of life and the opportunity to immerse yourself in a rich culture. However, it's important to be aware of the challenges and to do thorough research before making a move.